So I have a cup of water and I'm going to add a cup of monk fruit. We're going to stir it until the monk fruit is dissolved. I have 2 tablespoons of dark cocoa powder in here, unsweetened. I am going to make a little slurry out of this before I add it to the syrup. And we add that to our syrup. Make sure you wash out all the chocolate, okay? Now we're just gonna let this simmer for a couple minutes and we turn it off. So we're gonna make some really strong coffee ice cubes for our Frappuccino. I have a cup of water in here and I'm going to do a tablespoon of espresso coffee. As I'm using espresso instant coffee, you can just brew really, really strong coffee for this if you prefer, okay? I'm gonna freeze this and we'll make our Mocha Frappuccino. These coffee cubes are frozen, so now let's make our Frappuccino. I got 9 cubes out of that cup, so I'm just gonna throw them all into the blender. I'm gonna add about a half a cup of milk. I'm using almond milk. You can use whatever milk you want. And a couple tablespoons of our syrup. Let's blend this. By the way, I'm using the Cucinare personal blender that I got as a gift for review, and it is excellent. It's of course optional, but I am gonna add it. Here we go. Frappuccino, guys. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.